skill which is actually tough to train. It can be observed, it can be practiced to reach a certain level in writing, but you cannot teach a writing as a skill to someone. So you have to practice it, you have to observe and practice it. And there is no perfect writer in this world, I would say. Everyone has its unique style. So anyone who wants to come in this field is always welcome. People like to read new styles all the time. The one who can connect with his reader and get the required actions done from his reader is a good writer, according to me. There is a very good line: education can be learned, but skill is inborn. Like the writing is similar to that. If all of you know the Marathi, so there is a very good line that विद्या ही शिकता येते आणि कला ही उपजत असते. So this is the translation of that line, that education you can learn from experts, but there are some skills which you need to have inborn and that you need to nourish once you find them in yourself. So welcome to my presentation. A passionate writer who writes about own experiences, gives words to your ideas. So writing for me is, as I said initially, it's an expression of thoughts. It's connecting with myself, what I am feeling. I connect to that, converting the plain paper into a beautiful painting of words. Like the last 2 days back, we saw a very good painting session. So I would say this is my session of painting. People use their skills to make the paper beautiful. When I write something, I find that paper very beautiful. So that's the reason why I like writing. It's like showing a movie of 2 hours in 2 minutes. When you write about any movie or something, so you have to explain entire movie in 2 minutes. So that's what I feel about the writing. Then writing is like dressing up for an event. Like we don't compromise when there is an event. We dress well, we ensure that all the aspects are very well carried out. So the same is about writing. So you all we can take these terms when we give the importance to any activity. We always give our best shot to it every time. And in short, words are world for me. I would say I always keep inventing and searching for words for my ideas and the ideas of the people that I know. I keep sharing my knowledge and my words with them. So there are two types of writing, I would say. The first is personal writing. This is purely original writing. Example could be writing a diary or writing on a Facebook or for the sake of satisfaction and to build a personal brand. If a personal brand is strong, you can influence the people to buy from you or work for you. So these days, personal brand is a very important concept. Like if there is a good image behind you, people will stand by you in all the circumstances. So this is very important. Not like Facebook and all platform are not just to share your photos and share where you have been last night, what you cooked today. It is for your sharing your thoughts. Basically, it is an exchange of thoughts, because we all are well equipped with everything. It's just the thoughts that we can exchange. If you are a sensitive person, you feel about things happening around you. You feel that just say speaking about someone is not sufficient. I have more inside you. Take a pen or download Adobe Drafts and start expressing. You will feel lighter. There are no limits on number of words in this format when you write for yourself. This is about you. Nobody is going to judge you. This may not have any commercial gain, but it will give an immense pleasure if you are looking for it. So this is what writing is, personal writing for me. When it comes to professional writing, you need to have a proper subject, information, and some reference links. Any subject, like for example, I am given some subjects, so then I am given some reference links like Wikipedia, Google, from where you can extract that and you can format into article kind of thing. In professional writing, you have limits of like 1000 to 1200 words to convert the topic into an article. You need to understand the requirement of the client very well in when it comes to professional writing. You should have a good and very clear ear to listen to the client requirements. Professional writing is all about making his like a vision into words. So you should have that very clear ability to listen, I would say. That's very most important. This writing should be in very controlled manner and very accurate. Like you have to use the words very precise as per the products and as per the services the customer wants to give. Example can be of like for example we can say Twitter you can use only 160 words to express yourself in most efficient way. So writing on Facebook is like you don't have limits, you can write on 2 pages 3 pages, but when it comes to Twitter you have a limit of 160 words. So this is just an example that I'm giving. So that way you need to treat the professional writing as a sharp one. Then why is writing required? Like nowadays I can say that you cannot sell anything without proper words. You cannot tell anything without proper words. Actors on screen are of no value if they are not provided with a proper script and suitable dialogues. We know nowadays script is the hero of the movie. No hero is big enough to make the movie successful. It's all about proper script and dialogues that makes the movie worth watching to today's audience. For example, if you have spoken very well in your video, like if you are promoting your product, you have spoken very well about your products, but then while giving the quotation or while making the agreement, your images gets created if you have not covered all the points in your quotation and agreement. So you need to be precise in your words to make yourself acceptable to the world. So for that matter, you have to cover the key points and keywords you need to understand. That's again, you have to make sure that you have understood the client requirement very well. Best example is your resume that goes to an employer. If it does not speak for you, it is just a paper. We all know that once the resume is not good enough, nobody will call you for a job offer or any interviews. So now at this point, I would like all those who are into products, all services of their own. This is just a small test that we will do. You all have to write what are your products and services, since when you are in this business and why, what is the use of your products and services to the market, and why should I buy from you. So I would request all of you to write in like maybe 1 or 2 words exercise you can do, and you can show me maybe at the later stage.
Sure.
This is about current market for writers. Like what has happened after COVID, every business is becoming digital. You can be searched out on internet only if your website has keywords which you can add in the blogs section. This improves your
Exactly.
website ranking. So for writing the blogs, every business entrepreneur needs good writers who can cover most of the keywords related to his business. Like I said earlier, many infotainment websites have launched in this, like which covers information and entertainment portals have been launched in recent times. So you have good opportunities in the, because people have fed up of electronic media, and also to fed up to the newspapers also. Everyone is preferring to read everything on mobile. So we all those who are having this writing skill, they have a good future. Only you have to keep you present yourself nicely, and you have to reach to right people, I would say. Once you have reached to a level, you can reach to these portals so easily. Now every day everyone has a Facebook page, everyone is a LinkedIn page, so it's very to ease reach these people than earlier. And as I said, nowadays today's reader needs something original in the words they speak and the mobile they use. I write for inmarathi.com portal. They are always looking for a catchy language and not a typical long script or information. Today, every business need a language which can hold their audience and read till end. So writing is still important. Product presentation needs to cover every information about product brochure and in your business emails. On a broader level, we can say that words can generate the business or it can cancel it. That's the importance of word in in today's or any since the beginning, I would say. Though people have reduced the habit of reading, their habit of finding mistakes in your writing will be forever. So you have to be careful. You can write a mail to so many people, but they might not read it. But if there is any mistake, they can immediately point out and they will highlight it to others.
Exactly.
So I would say then next I'm going to tell quality of good writer. What can make you a good writer? A writer should be a good reader first. He should be a good reader. He should be able to find mistakes in his own writings. If he can do it, he can make his writing more precise and more appealing. Then you have to know your audience, target audience, and write according to their level of acceptance, not as per your level of maturity. Because sometimes we are more matured than our readers, but then you have to go to the level of your audience and then you have to write. So writing is you have to change yourself. Frankly, you cannot be what you are. You have to be what your client wants. Then you have to stay aloof from the online world. Like I am offline throughout the day most of the times. You won't believe that since morning, sometimes I make my mobile data on or my Wi-Fi on at the 4 p.m. in the evening because I am writing something. So you have to stay aloof from the online world, and you have to stay updated about the every big news. So I would say why I mentioned this point today. These things are getting very tough to people. That one cannot be stay online for a long, offline for a long. Everyone will see mobile after every 2 minutes. What is there a new message? Is there a new thing? So that patience you should have, that you can stay offline. Then spend time with himself or herself as much as possible. Like you have to enjoy your own company. There is a very good line that is coming: if you are alone and not happy, then you are in a bad company. Read this line again. If you are alone and not happy, then you are in a bad company. So you have to enjoy being yourself, because writing is looks very glamorous from outside, but actually I would say this is very dull area where you have to make it more appealing, and you have to make it happy to people once they read you. So you have to enjoy your company most of the times. I would say a writer cannot or should not be with just good words. He needs to be good from within. Like if I am saying good things on my wall or on my port on my website, I should be good from within. Then only, because people are nowadays immediately judging you. Especially in I am writing this from the Marathi people point of view. They are very judgmental. If you write something about this topic today and you supported that thing later on, they will immediately point it out that that day you have said something. So your image gets created on in your every post and every word. I would say you have to be careful, because people are catching, same people are there everywhere. They are on WhatsApp, they are on Instagram, they are on every social media. So you have to be careful while using words, particularly writing your original content. A writer also should have good typing speed. That's also most important. You cannot just take a long time to complete the articles and take a long break, because initially I used to take 2 days for one article. Then I reduced it. Now I'm taking it 2 hours to complete one article. So that's the way you have to keep improving the speed. Book, watching movie, any example of yours that makes you happy, and any 5 things that makes you angry. So you have to write these 5 things that makes you happy and that makes you angry. Second question I will go to: write 4 best qualities of your life partner. You have to all write one word about my session. So that also you have to write. How was my overall so far session? You can write one word, whatever, bad, good, whatever you feel. Okay. So I would say this is writing, asking questions to yourself and getting the answers from yourself. This is basically writing. Once you can ask questions to yourself, the answers will also come from you, and then this will all form a very good image and very good article. Before we end this slides, we will continue our talks. Just this slide is going. This is the last slide. Recently, I had written a new full form of the word India that we should have. I have written on my Facebook as well. So I would say the now new India should start. I should be integrity. N should be nation first. D should be dedication. I should be implementation, and A should be action. So this is what I wanted all to accept it. Let's all accept it. That then India will become a very good country again, and we will progress like anything. Then I would like to also take the actions and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is in continuation to that. And also, so like my Facebook business page, take the actions is most important, not just discussing the things. Also, let me know if I can be a writing partner for your business. I will be open to work to with all kind of products, all kind of services. I can write for you. I can understand from you. And, then we can make it a good result. Slide ends here. So we can continue our talks for, we have more 3 minutes. So everyone can now unmute themselves and give their feedback, 1 minute feedback, rapid fire.
थँक्यू सो मच आशिष, तू
Yeah.
एवढ्याबद्दल सांगितलं. आम्हाला माहिती नव्हतं की एवढ्या बारीक गोष्टींना आपण डोक्यात ठेवून आपण स्क्रिप्ट राईट करायला हवं. थँक्यू सो मच. तुझ्या ह्या नॉलेजने ऍटलिस्ट मी युट्यूब वरती नवीन कंटेंट लिहून बोलू शकते.
ग्रेट. थँक्यू.
थँक्स.